All right, today we're going to walk through a really handy app that's all about taking the stress out of your university academics. It's called GPA Master, and this is your quick start guide to how it all works. Okay, if you're in university, you know this feeling, right? You're trying to keep track of all your grades, maybe in some clunky spreadsheet or maybe just in your head. It's a total headache trying to figure out your actual GPA at any given moment. Well, that is exactly the problem GPA Master is here to solve. Think of it as the antidote to all that chaos. It's designed to put everything in one simple, clear place, so you always know where you stand. So, let's dive right in. First up, setting up your account. And don't worry, the whole thing is designed to be super quick and totally painless. It really just boils down to two super simple steps. First, you create the account, and then you just fill out a quick profile to make it yours. That's it. It's that straightforward. So when you first open it, you'll see this screen. You can go the old school route with your email, but honestly, that Continue with Google button is your best friend. It's by far the fastest way to get everything up and running. Once you're in, it'll just ask for some basic info, your name, country, that kind of stuff. It's just to personalize the experience for you. And with that done, we are ready for the really cool part. Okay, now we're getting to the heart of what makes GPA Master so powerful. This is about building the actual foundation for all your academic tracking, your degree structure. And this is where the collaborative side of the app really shines. So you basically have two paths you can take here. You can be the trailblazer and create a new degree from scratch if no one in your program has used the app yet. Or, and this is the really clever part, you can just find a degree that one of your friends has already set up. This sync up feature is a complete game changer. Why? Because it means you don't have to sit there and manually type in every single course for your entire degree. One person can do the heavy lifting and everyone else just hops on board. You're all working from the exact same playbook, which is just brilliant. Here's how easy it is. Your friend sets up the degree and the app gives them a unique code. They can text it to you, you pop that code into the Find Degree screen, and boom, you're in. All the courses, all the structure, just like that. But hey, what if you are that first person? No sweat. You just tap Add New Degree, fill in the key details like the name of the degree, your university, how long it is, and once you save it, you're the hero. You're the one with the magic code to share. Okay, I need you to listen up because this next part is absolutely critical. Setting up the degree structure is one thing, but making sure the calculations are perfect for your specific university, well, that's everything. And this quote really says it all. I mean, think about it. Garbage in, garbage out, right? If your grading scale is wrong, every GPA number the app shows you is going to be wrong. This is the one step that guarantees you can trust the results. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the grading scale section. The app will have a default scale already loaded in, kind of like what you see here. Your job is simple. Check this table and see if it actually matches what your university uses. And you need to look closely. Does an A- at your school really equal a 3.7 weight? Is the score range for a B+ actually 60 to 64? Every university is a little different, so you have to check these details carefully. And what if it doesn't match? No problem at all. The Edit Grading Scale screen gives you total control. You can change the grade codes, tweak the number ranges, and update the GPA weights for every single entry. This is what makes the app work for literally any school. All right, we've done the setup, we've verified all the details for accuracy, and now it's time for the payoff. The whole reason we're here. Let's see this thing in action. So you'll head over to the results page. You'll see a list of all your courses for the semester. All you have to do is go down the list and use the drop-down menu to select the grade you actually got in each class. And this is the magic moment. Watch the numbers at the top of the screen. As you enter each grade, the app automatically recalculates your current GPA, your total credits, everything in real time. No waiting, no guesswork, just instant clarity. And there it is, 3.40, calculated instantly. No more messing with spreadsheets or pulling out a calculator. It's just a clear, simple number that tells you exactly where you stand. How cool is that? So let's just zoom out for a second and recap what this all really means. The whole goal of GPA Master is to take you from that state of academic confusion to a place of clarity and control. The takeaway is pretty simple. GPA Master gives you those automatic calculations, a huge time saver with the collaborative setup, and it's fully customizable for any university. It's all about giving you the clarity you need to track your progress and actually plan for your academic future. At the end of the day, it's about replacing that stress with a solid strategy. So the real question is simple. Are you ready to stop guessing and start taking control of your grades?